Hi there. So today I'm gonna be ceramic coating my iPad that I use for my detailing business. Keep it clean and protected. I have my gloves here, my 8-year ceramic coating. I'm using DIY Details. I have my panel prep and my glass IPA just to clean the iPad before prepping it. And obviously the panel prep. Honestly, the panel prep would probably do both. And then I have my cleaning towel and then my leveling towel and my applicator pad. Very important to wear gloves. You don't want your oils getting on whatever you're coating after you've already cleaned it. Just gonna do 2 sprays, 2 half pulls even. It's an iPad. You don't need that much. I'm imagining probably not going to use very much. My dog wants in. She cannot get in the way, unfortunately. She will mess up the coating. So I've got it all clean. I'm laying it out on this microfiber here. See if this is a good angle or not. Let's see here. Just like this. And this video is not going to be edited. I'm sorry. All right, perfect. We're going to get our panel prep. Going to flip the side of this to a clean unused side. I'm going to set this down here. Panel prep. Can't imagine we're going to need more than one spray. Make sure we get all the sides here. Flip it. I cleaned the surface beforehand, so I'm not concerned at all. My leveling towel ready. Move my phone out of the way. That's probably the dirtiest thing here. My prep is done. It's a very quick ceramic coating demonstration. So this is their 8-year coating. It's not graphene infused. If it was graphene infused, I would shake it to activate it. If you're using their graphene coating, that's what you would do. Now, usually they recommend 8 to 10 drops to prep their applicator pad. This is a very small application, so I'm just going to use. Sorry, I'm trying to use 2 drops. Having some technical difficulties here. There we go. Looks like I kind of have to work this in here. There we go. Okay. So that was probably more like 4 drops. A little bit of difficulties with that. We're gonna put the lid back on this. Because this is an iPad, I'm going to do one side. Make sure it's all evenly dispersed here. I'm going to get the edges here as well. It's important to wear gloves. You do not want this stuff getting on your skin. It'll go straight to your liver. And you're not going to have a fun day. Okay. I'm going to watch this flash. Already see it flashing a little bit. This is quite the inefficient waiting game. I think we're about ready to wipe off here. DIY Details coatings are extremely user friendly. So I'm going to make sure I level everything with the short nap side of my towel. my nap side. And I'm just going to ensure that I wiped all that, leveled that completely off. If we get any high spots, they'll be pretty apparent. Okay, now I'm going to flip sides. My applicator pads should still be quite plentiful when it comes to the amount of coating on it. I'm going to hit this back side as well here. Just like that. I have this little napkin holder to hold the iPad when I am done with it so that I'm not laying it face down or face up. And then it's resting on its side because I am superstitious. Okay, and I can actually see it quite well on this Apple logo here to see if it's cross-linking. I don't know if the camera will pick that up at all. Oh, a little bit. A little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go level. Short nap side of the towel. And with a single 30 milliliter bottle, I think you could probably get, roughly 500 iPads would be my guesstimation there. So if you're ever concerned about the quantity, you can do all your friends' iPads and MacBooks and all that sort of thing. Double check this side for anything that I may not want. I spot there, I think. Perfect. Do my phone next time. All right, thank you guys very much for watching. I know that was quite a weird application of ceramic coating, but it's a nice demo. Like if you're ever interested in getting your car ceramic coated, your vehicle ceramic coated, which I highly recommend. And if you're in the Fond du Lac, Wisconsin area, hit me up. It's Mobile Detailing Guy. You can search me on Google. You can call me to book. I'll be very happy. I'm professionally C6 ceramic coated certified. And if that's out of your budget, we can always find a cheaper coating DIY detail. I carry their products as well. So, thank you guys for watching.